Hey guys, this is Whispertag Lego, and today we got the crew here again. We had them here in the past video that was almost exactly a year ago because it's my birthday again, and so we're going to make another fort. I did have another fort video. You can click up in this corner to check it out. It was great, and we made a fort that had plenty of space for me, but since we have so many people, we got to make this even bigger. So we got 2 posts this time. We're building it around both of them, and we're going to have a snack bar this time. We're going to have the music again. We're going to have everything we need. So, yeah, this is
Elisha.
I am Michael.
Michael.
Elijah.
And Jonan.
Alright, and we got our supplies here. We have plenty of blankets. And
We need that many though.
the couch is back here. So, we're going to get into the time lapse and get started.
Oh yeah, that's what
Can I shamelessly promote my Twitch channel?
As always.
He stole it!
Bob and Mary here are so
Evident. He stole it! Isaac Whispertag stole it! How dare he!
We're gonna tell Bob and Mary.
I don't even know who they are, but he stole it! How could he?
And then we have the snack bar, property of Bob and Mary Hart.
Which Isaac stole.
And I am turning on music.
Beautiful. But Isaac, why did you steal that?
I didn't.
So you stole it. He stole it. See? He stole it. We have evidence against him to be used in a court of law. I put a clamp, and he took the clamp. He took the clamp. He took the clamp. He stole it. How dare he? You're just a dead weight. This is your job now. Your true calling. Here, we can put some dead weight here and here. Can we split you in half?
I prefer that you didn't.
If it's theoretical, then it's most likely possible. Let me get a sword. This is the thing viewed from the door. Ow. Enjoy. Why do you have a towel draped around your shoulders?
It's not a towel.
Why do you have a very large towel draped around your shoulders?
The blanket. It will be my cloak.
So do I need to turn off the light? Okay, never mind.
The second floor?
We're gonna make a 2-floor fort. What is this mad ladder?
Johnny, sit on this chair.
Yes, I am. It's probably because of my psychopathic.
Yeah. 2-floor fort.
I don't know.
Alright, you can get off now.
We have dual camera power.
Triple camera power.
Triple camera power. There's a third?
Triple camera.
Alright, get in. So have you been using that
Oh,
camera instead
Simon.
of your normal camera?
What are you doing?
Instead of the one that you used before?
Simon, how'd you even get in? That's not the door. I want some food.
Look at it.
Food.
Simon, no, don't.
Alright, bye Simon. We're just eating because there is a snack bar.
We're not hungry.
No, I haven't eaten.
There's food to it. The snack's back on the snack bar.
Nope. I'm still eating these. No, I want them. This way everyone can reach them. Except for him and him.
Yes.
Why have you done this? I'm too lazy to move to get them. Okay. I didn't actually care. I was exaggerating for comedic effect.
I'm gonna...
Why does everyone have a camera now?
All I have is
Mayday! 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 Mayday!
The book fell down.
Whose fault is this?
Let's turn this off real quick.
The whole thing is collapsed. Oh no. You can see it under there. It looks so much different.
It all fell apart. How are you doing in there, Michael? Is that a nice fort?
It's a beautiful fort. I love how everything is, collapsing around me. That just adds to the whole aesthetic of the thing.
Are we gonna fix it?
Nope.
Well, you can make another one.
I never even got to see it.
I'm gonna get into the collapsing portion.
This is the most complicated.
I knew we should have built it to the International Residential Code. It just doesn't hold together anyway else. Wave.
Beautiful. Let's
Glick, 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 glick. I bet it feels really good in there.
Hello there.
So the cause of this collapse is unknown.
The cause of the collapse is overpopulation. We should have picked a more heavy thing. Because now my brother's gonna be mad. That was his People's Home Library. Okay guys, so the tent got destroyed.
Obviously.
But the snack bar was actually kind of a success.
We only had like 2 snacks.
It was good.
We only had 2 snacks.
Still the guy's
0 out
snack
of
bar.
10.
This is the first fort we've ever built that had a
0
snack bar.
out of 10.
And
Or maybe it was the first.
well, it seems that the reason that it fell apart was twofold. One, because the rope here was not tight enough, and it slowly was slipping down until eventually it all came down.
We didn't try strong on
this
news.
part,
And it was the
and then I
the
was trying
too.
to fix it, and then I touched something, and it went.
Are you saying this is your fault?
He just touched it. See you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. And if you liked it enough, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
I'm drowning.
Simon's using the blankets as a swimming pool.
He loves to call the shoes.
You're missing the last
Where are
two
you?
stories on the time lapse right now.
Oh, yeah.
Time lapsing right now.
Let's dive into the blankets.
Oh, yes. Hang on some.
Cannonball to the blankets.
Let's move him out here.
It's a parasite.
Alright, everyone.
I just can't. Okay, what am I thinking? Backflip. Can you do a belly flop once?
And we'll see you in the next one.
Well, I mean, we won't actually see you, but,
You'll see us.
You'll see Isaac.
You're gonna be in the next video?
No, I won't be in the next video.
It's not a pool.
Yes, it is. Simon said so, and I believe him.